Our journey begins not on the street, but from the farm to the city. In Ghana forest zones, coastal belts and coconut trees thrive where other crops fail. Through irregular rains and dry seasons, coconuts grow tall and strong.
Like you the one me train I always say we come market I bet price as we doing price now could be so buy as the price until or shape could be now a bet cost now so you could be farming so a bet 3 years be it so now season na your mind tip be so baby titi baby the to rata be two na car red one now okay and you know could it's a boy yes making boy last year they know that it's been as why and then I was say baby most I stuff you have a born inside nas now that but this year last year and but this year
at 3 to 4 a.m. various trucks transport coconuts into the city. These trucks are driven by men who travel from a far distance, crossed hundreds of kilometers to deliver coconuts before the sun rises.
Problem because of bueno or a cargo. And sometimes we can endorse them. It's a car, no, police problem. Oh, I know my panel and that's
but behind every coconut that is seen on the street, there is a driver who navigates distance and tiredness. Even these are the unseen reality of the coconut economy. Coconut vending provides dignified work in an economy where youth unemployment is on the rise. It is fast-paced, physical, and competitive, but it keeps thousands of men busy.
208. Yeah, go through 20 and I'm dying. And I'm called Galamsi. Over Galamsa, I feel, what, let's say, a block will be, or I put for my chum. I'm a grand answer, and how, and I'm some by 2014. And I'm some special thing. We said they show how can see here. Then how my phone you power and baby I didn't money big. And baby what do you want this year? I don't need problem can see if
it is not just a street snack. Coconut water is natural on its own. The water hydrates, energizes, and it is also packed with nutrients.
We all know what coconut is, right? We've actually, most of us have taken coconuts before, and from a medical point of view, you know, coconut water has a lot of health benefits. I mean, first of all, it's made up of mostly water, so I mean, if you drink it, if you are drinking it regularly, it's good for you because I mean you're hydrating yourself regularly. And water is important. It prevents dehydration and what's not. I mean, it's also good for your kidney function as well. Funny thing is that the most commonest cause of kidney injury, acute kidney injury, is dehydration. So if you drink coconut water regularly, you probably not get dehydration too. I mean, another key importance of coconut water is that it contains a lot of electrolytes. So your potassium, your sodium, your calcium, you know, magnesium. They are all important electrolytes in your body. So sodium helps with brain function. Potassium helps with, brain function and heart function too. Calcium strengthens your bones. Magnesium too is important for your bones, your thyroid function as well. I mean, it has all those benefits too, and I think that's most of the health benefits of coconuts: the hydration and the electrolytes. Those are the most important things. So with regards to how I would compare coconuts to energy drinks or sodas, the thing about energy drinks and sodas is that they contain empty calories. When we say empty calories, I'm saying like it's just water plus sugar. Do you understand? It doesn't contain carbohydrates, proteins, and minerals like coconut water. Most sodas and energy drinks are just glucose with water and maybe a few electrolytes. That's all. Compared to coconut juice, where you have extra nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, and the other important nutrients. So,
For as little as 5 to 7 Ghana cedis, Ghanaians access natural water and affordable wellness on sip at a time. What happens to what is left behind? The city generates tons of coconut waste daily, but in the village, waste becomes energy.
Instead of using your firewood to cook, which is giving you a lot of smoke and then the heat entering your body, we prefer to use this to that of the firewood and even charcoal, because this, when you are using it to set fire to cook, it will last longer than the normal charcoal.
Of oil uses. In fact, the cholesterol level in coconut oil is good for our health.
Every buyer becomes part of the story of healthier consumption, cleaner cities, and shared responsibilities.